You sell on credit, send the invoice, and get paid next month. But where does that invoice get recorded today? The Sales Day Book. The Sales Day Book is simply a running list of every single credit sale you make, written up straight from the sales invoices you send out to your customers. Cash sales go straight into the cash book. Credit sales go in the Sales Day Book. Different books because the money arrives at different times. Each invoice becomes one row: the date, the customer's name, the invoice number, and the amounts. Nothing clever, just an organized list. The money splits across 3 columns: net, the sale itself, VAT charged on top, and gross, the total the customer owes you. Say you invoice Smith Limited £200 net. VAT at 20% adds 40, so gross is £240. At the end of the period, you total up every single column. Those totals, not the individual rows, are what get posted across to the ledgers. Each customer's gross amount goes to their own individual account in the sales ledger, while the column totals get posted across to the main general ledger. Credit sales only, 1 row per invoice, net plus VAT equals gross, and totals posted to the ledgers. That's the Sales Day Book. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses, taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.